We'll be working first at mid-shin, so closer to the ground and the ankles, the sling at that level, and the handles at about the same height. We'll begin by setting ourselves up directly underneath the point of suspension. So make sure you scooch forward so your hips are directly underneath. Gather up the fabric, push it away from you, then put one heel in and then the other. Make sure the heels are secure in the middle, and then reach for the upper handles and use them to lower yourself gently down to the ground. Release the handles and just make adjustments, make yourself comfortable. You can lay your arms out to the sides and just relax here. And we'll start with a slow pendulum swing. Nice and easy. Allow your hips to rotate along with that motion. Take in deep breaths, putting a stretch through the core. And now we'll kick our legs all the way to the right, bring our heels in, bending at the knees, and then look over to the left hand. And as you exhale, allow yourself to relax in this position, allowing your knees to drop. Allow the stretch to happen through the core. We'll take it to the other side and do the same. Bring those heels in, look over to your right hand, and relax into it. Deep breaths. And now we'll sway the legs over to the right again, bring those heels in, and this time take the right hand, put it on top of the left knee, and as you exhale, push down on the knees, taking that twist deeper. Another deep breath. And as you exhale, consciously push your left shoulder into the ground as you push the knees down. We'll then take it to the other side, bring those heels in again, do the same. Left hand on top of the knees, pushing down as you exhale. And with your next exhale, push your right shoulder into the ground as you push your knees down. Release, we'll extend and sway again. We'll take our arms up to the sky and then push our shoulder blades up off the ground, reaching far to the back of the room. Sway our legs from side to side. Feel a stretch through the core all the way through the rib cage. Now kicking our legs to the right, take hold of your left wrist with your right hand and pull, stretching that arm, rolling onto your side. Then do it on the other side. Hold on to the right wrist and pull, stretching out the back. Bringing it back to center, we'll prepare for our inverted planks. So take your arms up to the sky, push your shoulder blades up off the ground, and as you open your arms wide, flatten your shoulder blades on the ground, and then pitch them together. Pushing into your heels, with your inhale, lift your hips up, coming into an inverted plank. Mindfully feel through the body, making sure your lower back and glutes aren't doing all the work. Distribute the effort through the middle back and upper back. As you exhale, lower your hips to the ground and sway it out. Feel free to bend the knees if you need to. Bringing it in to take a stretch into the lower back. Now we'll prepare for our counter pose. Reach for the long straps. Holding high, getting good grip, pull yourself up to seated. And from here, reach for the upper handles. Getting good grip, pulling down, shoulders down away from the ears, pushing the lower back through the belly for a straight spine and come to a slight lean. Mindfully balance out the effort here too. Making sure the abs are engaged, and breathe. Pulling back up, give yourself a shake, and if you want to, you could reach down to the next level, going for the lower handles. Making sure the arms don't go way out back, make sure it's straight out to the sides. Again, push the shoulders down away from the ears, push the lower back through the belly, come to that slight lean, engage the abs. Push against the handles, coming back up, and then reach high so you can lower yourself all the way back down to the ground. Make adjustments and sway it out.